Welcome to your dream home. Get inside, Shanti. Get inside. Inside, girl. Alam mo na nga, asar lang to eh. Naiwan kasi sa loob. Take two, take two, take two. Hi everyone, this is Asa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga, and we have another brand new house inside Metro Gate subdivision. And as you can see, it's a corner property. Pakaganda. Over here, medyo silong na ako. And around magi 11 a.m. na at this time nang shoot namin etong house. Kung saan ako galing is your corner property, and then this side is your automated gate. Pakalaki. Spacious ng gate nyo in fairness. And then this side naman, modern or a mix of, may pagka-minimalist yung bahay. You have here, on this side, may mga deco blocks. Tapos, binda dito naman yung pinaka-pedestrian gate nyo. And you will be welcome with the spacious garden area pa. Or, kung gusto nyong i-mas upgrade is, could be a deeping pool for this side. And then, this one is access going to your service area. Ito na yun, spacious also. Mag-a-add na lang kayo ng mga ano dito, halaman. And then that side. Explore natin mamaya pa galing sa loob. Pero as of now, very easy to maintain. Kung gusto nyo ganito lang naman yung ano nyo, garden, it's fine. And over here, you have your fully covered yung pinaka-carport nyo, pero open siya. I mean, nagsisirculate pa rin yung hangin, so hindi mainit. And then also, high ceiling. Over here, medyo half-covered na. Could be a lanai. Dito naman, again, pwede din mag-setup ng inflatable pool. Ayan, mga accessible naman yan. Diba? So, pwede pang ganon. Pwede niya upgrade ng ganon. Lalo pa ngayong summer. Ang init-init. So, kahit talagang nagbababad-babad lang kayo sa mga tab, pwedeng ganon. And then this one is your porch covered. Yeah, medyo from your pedestrian gate. Tapos mga 3 steps yan. Wide spaces, steps para makapasok sa pinaka main house niya. You have a solid wood and a smart digital lock. And I have a surprise for you once we get inside. Welcome to your dream home. Ang ganda pala nito. Above standard yung door, tapos ang lapad din. Tapos pagpasokan dito na yung breaker. Well, tatakpan nyo lang naman yun ng ano. Another parang mini cabinet. Welcome again. I have my co-host here, Shanti Dope.
May lakad ay ka pa mamaya.
She left yung mga socks. Kulang-kulang na. Wow. Parang kang may mini foyer doon. Tapos ito, double height ceiling yung pinaka-living room niyo. And the house comes unfurnished. Parang may pagka-Scandinavian. Ay, ang ganda ng kitchen. For a moment, this is your living room. Also a spacious living room. And minimal lang yung mga window. That's nice. Tapos maganda yung location ng bahay. Mapresko pa rin. Mapresko pero pawis na pawis ako kasi naman galing ako sa labas. Ganda ng living room. Tapos may mga natural light din coming from the pagka high ceiling niya, yung mga bandang taas. So parang ano ba tawag? Slim lang yung fixed window. Alright, di pa tayo dito naman is your, wow. Parang yung pagka-minimal na dining area. Pero kasya naman yung dining table with 6 chairs. And then this side, ito yung pwedeng, kung gusto nyo ng barbecue time, open nyo lang to. May mini lanai kayo dito. Tapos nakaano siya, artificial grass hanggang on the side. Siguro yun yung helper nyo. Tapos balik lang ako dito. Even yung nyo, formal kitchen, ang cute niya lang. You have your, may island countertop na siya. Tapos mga nakalaminate yung drawers and cabinets. Ang ganda-ganda, ang linis. This one included na. Ay! Wait lang, umaya na yan. Hala, sila ma'am, may client from LA yung nabigay sa akin ng Trader's Joe bag. Magugustuhan niyo po to kasi may surprise door this side. Ayan, hello po. This one included na yan. Kasi mga drawers. Iba na naman yung ngiti ko, nagulat ako dun eh. Tapos this one, also maganda yung backsplash niya. Ito yung mga easy to maintain, isang punas lang okay na eh. I even like the height ng etong range hood na to. Hindi masyadong tinatamaan or dito lang sa eye level ko minsan eh. 'Di ba? Your very modern sink na na ako dito sa isang house na victim. Tapos may door tayo dito, leads to your, well, could be your laundry area where you can hang your clothes. Ito yung galing sa side of your pedestrian gate. Tapos I guess, let's explore na yung, itong secret door. Kaya pala, kanina ko pa hinahanap bakit may door doon. Pasok tayo dito, girl. Oh, this is your dirty kitchen. Marami ka may explore. Ah, wow! Oh, ang galing ng toilet and bath na to. A common toilet and bath na medyo connected siya sa dirty kitchen nyo as well as dito sa lanay. Kaya pala, could be a dipping pool dito sa side na to. Ganda din ang shower head, even the sink. Tapos naka-pocket door siya. Pare-pares yung mga cabinets laminated. You have your large sink, quartz countertop, and also a nice backsplash. Tapos I guess, nakalock. Medyo nakalock lang siya, pero alam naman natin this is for our maid's room and that toilet and bath, yun na rin yung gagamitin. But I like this one talaga. Secret door. Pati pala yung sa likod nung door niya, nakalaminate. Tignan ko nga. Oh, cabinet pa pala yung nasa taas, tapos medyo awning type. And that's it. Ang ganda-ganda. Tapos dito pa. Wait, that's your carport. No, this is not your carport. Siguro may secret door pa dito. Ay, secret door pa. Ma'am, sila Sir Rudy yan eh. My client from LA. This is your first bedroom. Wow, and ang laki niya ha. Or sa mga parents nyo na titira. Kasi meron siyang I can see own toilet and bath. Ito yung master suite na siya. Tapos malaki. Kaya naman yung queen size. Nani-even like yung cabinet niya. Ang ganda ng color lang. Earth tone. Tapos you have your nice view ng front ng property nyo. Ito, pag punong-puno to ng halaman, ang ganda-ganda niya when you wake up in the morning. Tapos, good thing lahat may air condition ng kasama. Iko tayo ng a little bit dito. You have your vanity area and your cabinet na rin. Check natin yung CR. Ay, di pa patalo yung CR. Talagang maganda siya for your guest room. Naka-smart toilet. You can see a very modern shower head and a large sink. Oh, may another door. Thank you, Shanti. I'll see you on the other side. Ito. Binuksan niya. Ito siya kapag nasa So, ito na yung oh, this is for your guest na rin. So, yung mga bisita nyo talaga. Ito na rin yung powder room / common toilet and bath. And dito pala siya. Pero pwede naman i-lock. Very hidden. Gusto na nila. Gustong-gusto to nila, Sir Rudy. Yan. Tapos dito naman may Siyempre storage na lang to. Ayan. Ay, ang laki! Hanggang ilalim. I mean, hanggang yung pinakasagad ng buong staircase. Well, in fairness, lahat ng luggages hanggang dito siya, oh. This is nice. Yeah, close ko lang ulit. Ay. Tsaka may stopper siya. Siguro dito yung mga lagayan na lang na ano. Nakadikit lang. Talagang permanent, hindi pwedeng paglaruan ng mga ano, collections. Anyway, that's it. I like it in ground floor. I love it. And that's it. Again, for those who haven't subscribed yet, can follow us on all our social media pages. That's Next Level Properties. I'll see you at the second floor. And as we continue going up, you also have your natural light coming from this one. Ooh. Okay, may chandelier din. And light yung color ng staircase niya. This is also wood naman. This one tubular. Yung mga railing. Tapos, sanahin ko na dito. Oh, yung daming door. May family area pa kayo dito sa second floor or could be your tinatay. Nung iba is a second living room pero located siya sa second floor. Also, may access siya dito sa balcony, common balcony. Ang ganda din. Kasi ang ganda ng kapitbahay nyo. Wala ng garden ng view. It's nice. But you can just add another air condition unit dito. May ceiling fan na siya. Tapos next door. Oh, ang laki. Another spacious bedroom. Also has its own air condition unit. Kahit siya pa yung king size dito. And itong room na to, wala siyang toilet and bath. So may common toilet and bath tayo dito sa second floor. Oh! Come here, Shanti. This is the next room. Ito yung common toilet and bath. It's just the same ng first room natin. Pareha sila ng style kahit yung ito. Ang linis-linis ng pagkagawa. And this room, ito yung nakalakas. Ito yung may mga nakatangong gamit. Ito din naman yung ginagamit niyang toilet and bath. Tapos this is your primary bedroom. It's very clean. Ang minimal ng design ng wall, even yung ceiling, medyo naka-drop ceiling siya. Tapos may ceiling fan. Wooden din yung sa ceiling niya. Yung mga gantong design, ang dali-dali mag-add ng mga upgrades pa. While kasya naman king size, andyan yung headboard. Pwedeng dyan. Tapos dito yung entertainment wall. Depends on you, on how you place your bed. Tapos ito, yung pinaka-front ng property, medyo malaki yung balcony niya. Tsaka ayan, no, may lilim pa siya. Tapos you have barn door. Ooh! Wow! Wow, ang ganda! Kasi ang linis-linis. Ito, walk-in cabinets. May vanity na rin. Tapos to separate your tub. Sa vanity nyo, ito meron siyang ganito. Medyo madilim pa. Okay. May single tub, tapos dito na rin yung shower niya. Oh, ganda nito din. Ito din, smart toilet. Tapos itong banda yung, ano niya, sink. Mga cabinets na rin. Ganda din ito. Textured wall. This one, where you can hang your towels. Well, for a family na talagang gusto ng simple lang yung bahay, meron no? Yung mga minimalist yung bahay na gusto. And it's also affordable. Gusto ko. Ay, ito pala. Ganda. See? Ang ganda ng side na to pag punong-puno ng halaman. This one. Tapos over here, pwede ngang pwede mag-setup ng outdoor chairs and table dito sa area na to. Sa around 11 a.m. Palang today nang sinut namin itong house na to. Pero look, may fresh air. Pwede. Ganda. Yeah. And I guess this is where I will give you your quick recap for this house. Again, this house is brand new and located here at Metro Gate Subdivision, Angeles City, Pampanga. This one's very close to Marque Mall and the Angeles exit. The house sits at 208 square meters for the lot area and you have 256 square meters for your floor area. This is 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. You also have your maid's room with own toilet and bath as well, and you have your 2-vehicle carport with automated gate, and the house comes unfurnished. For homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters, finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Zaza, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga, together with Shanty Dope. See you on our next video.